Kia ora! Welcome to the second lesson in negating. Today, we're going to learn to negate future tense. To indicate that we're talking about the future in a positive sentence, we say ka. When we're negating, ka changes to e. How we form the rest of the sentence is the same as when we negate present tense, meaning we start the sentence with ka hore. We follow ka hore with the pronoun. Afterwards, we put e, which indicates that we're talking about the future. Finally, we put the verb. Ka hore ahau e kōrero. I'm not going to speak. Ka hore koe e kōrero. You're not going to speak. Ka hore ia e kōrero. He or she is not going to speak. Notice that the verb does not change, no matter who we're speaking about. Just like the present tense, we can change the verb to change the action. Oma means run. Ka hore ahau e oma. I will not run. Ka hore koe e oma. You will not run. Ka hore ia e oma. He or she will not run. As well as ahau, koe, and ia, we can use the other pronouns for more people that we've learned before. Let's practice using kōrua, which means you two, and koutou, which means you all, for 3 or more people. Kata means laugh. Ka hore kōrua e kata. You two will not laugh. Ka hore koutou e kata. None of you will laugh. Tangi means cry. How would you say, you two will not cry? Ka hore kōrua e tangi. How would you say, none of you will cry? Ka hore koutou e tangi. We can create questions simply by changing our inflection. Ka hore kōrua e kata. Will you two not laugh? Ka hore koutou e kata. Will none of you laugh? Noho means sit. How would you ask, aren't you two going to sit? Ka hore kōrua e noho. And how would you ask, aren't any of you going to sit? Ka hore koutou e noho. There you have it. Now you know how to negate sentences in the future tense in Māori. Ka kite.